So hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the post boosting tool inside ConnectSafely.ai. And if you have already used ConnectSafely.ai before, then you probably know I have already covered the basic post boost workflow earlier. So if you want the complete detailed tutorial, just comment below and I'll share the link. But recently, ConnectSafely.ai added some really interesting improvements and now the whole workflow feels much more connected. Because now it is not just about boosting a LinkedIn post anymore. Now the platform is slowly becoming a complete LinkedIn publishing and engagement system. You can schedule your LinkedIn post, prepare the post boost campaign in advance, automatically receive engagement from real people, and even configure auto replies for those engagement comments, all inside one workflow. And honestly, this solves one of the biggest problems creators face on LinkedIn. Because normally people use one tool for scheduling, another tool for engagement, and then manually handle replies themselves. But here, everything is connected together. Alright, now let me show you how this actually works. Right now, I'm going to paste one of my own LinkedIn post URLs, and from here, I can configure the complete post campaign. I can select how many people should engage with the post, choose the delivery speed so the engagement looks natural, and right here, you can enable the author replies. Now, this is the most important part that I want to explain clearly. The comments inside the Boost campaign are AI generated through the ConnectSafely.ai engagement ecosystem, which means the engagement pod accounts connected with the platform automatically generate contextual comments on your LinkedIn post. And now, with author replies enabled, the system can also automatically generate replies beneath those AI generated comments. So the entire engagement flow becomes connected. AI generated comment, then automatic author reply beneath it, all handled automatically inside the workflow. Now let us actually test this live. I'm going to generate around 20 comments for this demo. So let me just select 20 and I will also include the author replies for this demo. So let me just turn it on and simply click on generate 20. So let us wait for a few seconds for the results and let's see what comments does the tool generate. Alright, as you can see on my screen, the system has generated the engagement comments and beneath them the author replies have also been automatically attached. So instead of manually creating comments and then replying to them separately, the entire engagement conversation flow is prepared automatically inside the Boost workflow itself. And the interesting thing here is that the replies are contextually connected to the generated comments, which makes the engagement look much more natural and active. And just to clarify, this currently works only for comments generated inside the ConnectSafety.ai engagement ecosystem. It does not yet auto-reply to external organic commenters outside the pod system. But honestly, even this workflow itself can save a huge amount of manual effort, especially if you're consistently posting content on LinkedIn. Now, this is the part where things become really interesting. At the bottom, you can see the option called Schedule for Later. And this basically allows you to prepare the boost campaign before the LinkedIn post is even published. So instead of publishing first and then coming back later to boost the post manually, you can prepare everything in advance. And this connects really well with the post scheduler feature inside the ConnectSafely.ai. Because if you are already scheduling your LinkedIn post from the platform, you can basically keep the entire workflow inside one ecosystem. Schedule the LinkedIn post, attach the boost campaign, configure engagement, set author replies, and everything becomes ready before the post even goes live, which is actually very useful if you're posting consistently or managing multiple content campaigns. And another interesting thing is that the post scheduler itself is currently available for free. So if somebody is already scheduling posts through ConnectSafely.ai, it becomes very easy to connect boosting and engagement together in one smooth workflow. So overall, I think the interesting part here is not just the boosting itself. It is how ConnectSafely.ai is connecting publishing engagement and engagement management together into one workflow. You can schedule post, prepare boost in advance, receive engagement from real professionals, and automate engagement replies inside the same system, which honestly saves a huge amount of manual effort for creators and professionals posting consistently on LinkedIn. If you want, I can also make a deeper walkthrough specifically on the post scheduler or the author reply setup. Just comment below and I'll make another video on it. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you in another video.